Have you ever wanted to chat with famous figures or explore different personalities all from your computer? Today, I'm going to show you how to use Character AI, an innovative platform where your chat dreams come to life. Character AI is a unique AI-powered chat application that allows you to interact with a range of virtual personalities, from celebrities to historical figures. While these aren't real people, the conversations you'll have are incredibly lifelike and engaging. To start using Character AI, first, open your preferred web browser and visit their website at character.ai. If you're using a mobile device, you can also download their app for iOS or Android, offering a more tailored mobile experience. Once on the Character AI homepage, you'll find the option to sign up. This is usually at the bottom left corner of the screen. You can create an account using various methods, including Google, Apple, or simply with an email and password. Choose the method that best suits your convenience, as this will be your primary login method for future access. After registration, you'll be prompted to choose a username and provide a date of birth. The username you select will represent your identity on Character AI, so pick something unique that reflects your persona. Post-registration, you'll be directed to the homepage where you can start interacting with various AI characters or even create your own. The platform is user-friendly and designed to be navigable with ease, ensuring a smooth user experience. On the homepage, you'll see a list of AI characters you can chat with. These characters cover a broad spectrum of interests and topics. Simply click on a character to start a conversation. The AI's responses are based on the character's predefined personality and knowledge base. If you wish to personalize your interactions further, you can create and define a persona in your profile settings. This persona can include details like your interests, preferences, and physical traits, which the AI uses to tailor interactions to be more engaging and relevant to you. When you're ready to dive into a conversation on Character AI, the process is straightforward and user-friendly. Here's how you can start chatting with existing characters or even create and interact with your own. You can easily search for a specific character by name or browse by media type, like books, TV shows, or movies. The platform provides a list of characters, with popular ones often appearing at the top of your search results. Once you select a character, a chat window will open. Characters typically initiate the conversation based on their programmed personalities and backstories. You're free to engage in the conversation by typing your responses. This can range from simple chats to deep discussions depending on the character's design. Character AI supports various forms of communication, including text, emojis, and even Markdown for a richer chatting experience. This variety helps in tailoring your interaction as closely as possible to a real conversation. While currently in development, Character AI aims to include text-to-speech functionalities, allowing characters to respond not just in text but also vocally, enhancing the realism of conversations. The platform encourages users to rate interactions, which helps in improving character responses over time. If a response isn't satisfactory, you can explore alternative replies provided by the AI. Character AI offers a fascinating array of categories, letting you engage with a diverse set of AI characters based on your interests. Let's explore some of the unique categories available and how you can interact with them. Famous personalities. Imagine chatting with virtual versions of celebrities like Ariana Grande or historical figures such as Albert Einstein. This category offers you the chance to interact with icons from various fields, giving you a taste of conversations you've only dreamed of. Anime and game characters. For fans of anime and video games, this category lets you dive into conversations with characters from popular series and games. Whether it's discussing battle tactics with a high-fantasy RPG character or getting to know your favorite anime character, there's an array of options to explore. Helpers and coaches. Need advice or assistance? The helpers category includes AI like life coaches, fitness trainers, and even language tutors. These AIs are designed to provide guidance and support in specific areas of your life, making personal development more interactive and fun. Creative and professional assistance. Whether you're a writer needing inspiration or a programmer seeking a coding partner, this category has something for you. Engage with AIs that can help brainstorm ideas, assist in writing stories, or even collaborate on technical projects. Educational and learning. This category is perfect for learners. Engage with characters that can help you understand complex subjects, practice a new language, or explore historical events in an interactive way. If you don't find a character that suits your interest, Character AI gives you the tools to create your own. This process allows you to personalize your chat experience even further. Begin by choosing the Create Character option. You'll enter details like the character's name and an introductory greeting, which helps define the character's initial interaction style. You can further customize your character by uploading an image, setting up text alongside images, and defining who can interact with your character. Options range from public to private settings. Once created, you can immediately start chatting with your character. Engage them with various prompts to see how they respond, refining their personality and responsiveness with each interaction. Here are some practical tips for using the Character AI platform effectively. 1. Be clear and specific. When interacting with AI chatbots like Character AI, it's important to use clear and specific prompts. This helps the AI understand your request better and improves the quality of the responses you receive. For instance, if you're not satisfied with a response, instead of just asking the AI to try again, specify what you're looking for, be it a change in tone or more detailed information. 2. Understand the settings and privacy. Always take the time to understand the privacy settings of any AI platform. Adjust these settings according to your comfort level to ensure your personal information is protected. 3. Use revisions wisely. AI can generate a wide range of responses, but they may not always hit the mark on the first try. Use the option to revise responses, providing detailed feedback to refine the output. This could involve changing the tone, adjusting the structure, or focusing on different content aspects. 4. Check for accuracy. Remember that AI systems, including chatbots, can make mistakes. Always cross-reference and verify AI-generated information before relying on it, especially if you're using it for important decisions. 5. Explore with caution. When creating or interacting with virtual characters, be cautious about the personal information you share. Limit the data you input and understand how the platform uses the information. 6. Use chained prompting. For complex tasks, break down your request into smaller, more manageable prompts. This method, known as chained prompting, can help you achieve more accurate and tailored AI responses by guiding the AI through a series of steps. Character AI is more than just a chat application. It's a playground for your imagination. Whether you're diving into deep philosophical discussions or just having a light-hearted chat, this platform offers a unique way to engage with a diverse range of personalities. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to watch the next suggested video to learn more about AI tools.